Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to play I See the Light from Disney's Tangled on the violin. If you are a regular and already subscribed to my channel, please know that I appreciate that very much and thank you. If you are new here, please consider joining all those other subscribers. Just click on the button right down below. The sheet music for the version of I See the Light that I will teach today is from this book of Disney pieces. Click the link below to purchase your book. So the first part of this piece is in the key of D major, which means on the D string we'll be using our M hand shape. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the A string the same. On the G string, however, for our C sharp, we're going to need a high third finger. So A, B, C sharp. So this is our high hand shape on the G string, 1, 2, high 3, 4. We won't need all of those fingers. On the D string, we can use our M shape, and same on the A string. So anytime that we use a fourth finger, we obviously can use the string above as an open string instead. So you can make that choice as you're playing. So starting on the D string, fourth finger, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, high 3 on the D, open D, 4, or open A, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, high 3 on the G, and open D. Then on the A string, 1, A, 3, A string, A, 3, A, D, 2, 1, open A or fourth finger, 4, 3, 2, open 1. The next 4 bars are the same as the first 4 bars, so we'll jump over those. And then we go 1 on the A, open A, 3 on the D, open D, then C sharp, second finger on the A string, 2, 1, A, then 3 on the A, 3, 2, 1, 2, A, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the A, then 3 on the G, D, A, Now the next part actually changes key to F major. So for F major, we generally use this open hand shape with a low first finger because we have B flat. So on the D string, we will actually need our normal first finger E natural. So we're going to have a low shape actually. So think of a normal 1 on the D with a low 2, space to 3, space to 4. Now everything's going to go across, but the 1 is coming back for an open shape, but from a low 1 position. Okay, on the A string, and we do need our third finger also on the G string. It also will be straight across from the third finger on the D string, and we do go up to the E string as well with a low first finger as well. So we will need, if you just think of your low pattern on the D string, the 3 will also go to the G. They will all go over to the A string with the same position except for the low 1 pulling back for B flat, and that 1 will also go to the E string as a low first finger. So this time we're starting with second finger on our A string, and we're going to have a tone to our low first finger for B flat. 2, 1, open A, then on the D, 3, 4, 3, 1, that's a normal 1, so make sure it's moved up, 2, and then 3 on the G, back to the A, 2, 1, A, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, on the D string, 3, 2, 1, now we're going up to the E string, so we're going to take that low 1 over to the E string, 2, 1, 2, 2 on the D, 4, 3, 2 on the A, low 1, O, 2 on the D, 3. And then the first part of that is repeated. And then we continue with 3 on the A, 2, low 1, 2 on the D, 4 on the A, 3, 2, then 2 on the A, D, sorry, then low 1 on the E, 1, open E, 3 on the A, O, 2 on the D, A, 3, 4, low 1 on the E, low 1 on the A, 1, O, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, O, on the A, 3, 4, low 1 on the E, 1 on the A, to the D, 2, 3, A, 1, A, 3, 2, on the A, 3, 4, 1 on the E, 1, 1, O, 2, 2, 3, A, 3, 2. Then on the A string, 2, 1, A, on the D, 3, 4, 3, normal 1, 2, 3 on the G, 2 on the A, 1 A, 1 on the D and low 2. Then we finish off with 2 on the A, 1, open A, open E, and 1 on the E. Well done for getting all the way to the end of this tutorial. If you got all the way through that, you are going to be playing I See the Light beautifully on your violin. Be sure to grab your copy of this sheet music linked below. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll catch you next time.